Good morning everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. Some interesting things happening here, and I think as the day plays out we are going to pick up some really decent trades. So don't forget to join the Telegram channel, which is in the description below. That will give you pretty much access to the actual trade that I'm busy taking. Okay, so for the Dow at the moment, we've had a pretty solid move, and we've come up to an area of resistance. And if you look left, you'll see what I mean. There's a previous high, uses resistance, used as support, broke a bit below it, and then all over the place. And then here used as resistance as well. So this is the line in the sand at the moment, which is 30,816, 30816. That's a level which is a line in the sand. We are back above the moving averages, and we're getting a crossover on the moving average on the 8 hour now as well. So I would expect a bit of consolidation. It is also top of this channel, so it's going to battle a little bit, maybe even pull back to the next level of structure, which in my view anyway is 3628. Okay, so that's on the 8 hour. If we look at the 3 hour, you'll see we've had a strong move this week already, above all the moving averages, top of channel, and now we've got a bearish signal there, and then tails down, tails up, tails down. So a bit of confusion here, confusion or consolidation. That's pretty much what is transpiring. What we need to pay attention to is this level here. So we need to break above this high of 3925. That validates the double bottom. Let me just use a block for that, and that double bottom is pretty much there. And now we can't, must be that one, yeah. Okay, so that obviously would take us to new all-time highs and everything else, and that's going to take us to 32,000. So what is the moves for us today? First things first, we had a pretty tight channel, and in actual fact it wasn't much of a channel on the Dow. It was more of a wedge. There it is there, and there it is there. So that was a pretty decent wedge break to the upside, and that's very rare. It doesn't often happen, and I don't think the target was hit, because the target should be the height of the wedge. Nope, the target wasn't hit. So one or two things that's going to happen here. We're either going to come back down and the actual wedge is going to play out, which would mean a pullback all the way down to here, to basically the start of the week, or alternatively this is going to continue to the upside. So what I want to do is just delete all the noise here, because this thing is looking really, really interesting to me. So first thing first, we need to clear this level here of 3941. Okay, well, we've had a strong move up, pullback. That's a bull bar. Okay, so that's a bullish pattern there, another bullish pattern forming at the moment on the outside of the flag. We do have a trend line here. Okay, so we could have trend line support further down if we needed it, and there is another trend line, which is kind of where we are now. Well, that's the structure we've got, and then we more than likely have a flag or a triangle or a wedge or something forming after this move. Now remember guys, we want to see a retest of the 155 moving average. That is going to give us confidence that the trend is secure. So pullback is healthy, and I'm looking to buy off that pullback. So let's just delete that one. Look for structure. Where is the first bit of structure? Here's the first bit of structure here, 3625, I think. Sorry, 30,625, and this is 30,540, and probably 30,500. But with this strong move here, I don't think we're going to get such a move down to 3,500 or 3488. I think what you need to be doing is paying attention to these areas here. Okay, I'm just going to delete that so we've got a bit of clarity here. So this is consolidation. So a break, yeah, I would use this level right here, which is 37.74. If we get above that in the retest and it holds, long it is. Your first target is going to be 39.41. We're looking for a break of 39.41. We get a break of 39.41, and the probability of that happening straight away is rare, very low. So you would expect to bounce back, probably either a triangle form or some form of consolidation before popping above it. But once we are above that level, that's a confirmation I've got, and that is a big measured move here of pretty much 1,145 points. So that's the move that I'm waiting for here on the Dow. Okay, so that's it for me, short and sweet. Waiting for Europe to open, waiting for structured form, and we'll be looking to bounce this up. So results are in. So all the main results are pretty much done. There's a couple more results still going to trickle in, but I don't think that's going to impact us much. The focus is now on stimulus package, which is still not out. So yeah, until the politicians sort that out, that's what the focus is on. And the fear is that it's not going to be as much as what they've put on the table already. So that's why, you know, we've got the volatility and we're kind of hesitant. Then the other thing is that you've got the hedge funds and the institutions playing games with the retail traders, and probably took a lot of money off retail traders yesterday looking at the GME stock. But anyway, hope it helps, and we will catch up with you bright and breezy tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.